Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to trim a video in Flutter iOS. I have done a similar video for Flutter Android as well, so if you are interested you can watch that particular video. So here inside my code I am trimming the video, so start it from 10 second, end it at 20 second. Here you can change this value to whatever you feel like. Now I will click on open video picker, and here you can see that my video is only 15 seconds long. So what do you think will happen? It will start from 10 second and it is smart enough to only trim it to 15 seconds. So we will only get a 5-second long video, even though we have given it like 10 to 20 seconds. So yeah, I'll just select this, and as you can see over here our video is only 5 seconds long. So yeah, let's see. And if I click on save, it will save it to our external, like to our Photos app. If I click on open video picker again, here you can see the 5-second video is also been saved. So let's see the code. So first inside so I'll just close this. So over here inside our main.dart, I have created refactored our homepage widget. So I have created a method channel called video picker platform. It is invoking a method called pick video, and here I have created a method channel video picker platform, and I have created two buttons. So first button invokes a method called pick video, second button invokes a method called save video. So now we'll have to use the same identifier on native iOS side as well. Then I have opened the XE workspace of iOS inside Xcode. Then inside info.plist I have just created I've added this NS photo library usage description permission. Then inside app delegate I have imported photos UI as well as AVKit, and here I am extending PHPicker view controller delegate. I have created one variable for Flutter result, one for Flutter view controller, and one for final URL. Here we are initializing our controller. Here I have created our Flutter method channel called video picker platform, and I am listening for our pick video as well as save video method. So once pick video is called, we are first checking for authorization. If that is given, then only we call pick video method. Once save video is called, we again check for authorization of Photos app. If that is given, then only we call perform changes from our PH photo library, and then call create request for asset from video, pass our final URL. If that is success, then only we save our video. Otherwise we just give an error message. Now to check this request authorization, I have created a method for that. So this will help us to track whether the user has given us the photo library permission or not. And here for this debug description I have created an extension. You don't really need this, so I'll just show you the extension in case you are curious. So this is how the extension looks like. Again, you don't have to use this. This is just part of my debugging. So okay, once permission has been given, then we call pick video. So we are filtering by video, selection limit is 1, and here we open our PHPicker view controller. So once this is open, this automatically calls this particular method because we are overriding that PHPicker view controller delegate. So once this is called, here I have created a completion handler which I will come back to in a bit. But as soon as user picks a video, we get our result. Then we try to save the video to our some temporary location. So that's what this all code is all about. So you can just copy paste the code if you want to. Once we have our destination URL, so we get it over here, and then we copy it to our destination URL. So we call our completion handler, pass our destination URL as well as error if any. Otherwise, if destination URL is nil and if we only have error, then also we call our wrap-up function. So once this is called, we come over here. So once we have the URL as well as the error, then we just call handle pick video result. We pass our URL as well as our error, and inside handle pick video result, as you can see over here, once we have the URL, we call the trim video function. We pass our URL, then we pass the start time as well as the end time. So here I have kept it as 10 and 20 seconds, but you can change it to whatever you feel like. Then I create our final URL, assign it to our final URL, the updated URL variable, and then we just launch our AV player view controller and start playing the video. And if you see the trim video method, we have just taken a file manager, a AV URL asset as well as AVMutableComposition. Then we add our take our video as well as audio track, take our video asset video track as well as audio asset track. This is composition video and audio track. Okay, and here accumulated time is 0 by default, and then we get the duration of current slice. So we just subtract it how much we want, like the end time as well as the start time. Then we do time range for current slice. So we just do cm time range past our start time as well as duration of our current slice. Then we do is insert the time range for our video composition track. So whatever is the time range for current slice as well as this asset video track and accumulated time. Similarly we do it for audio composition track as well, where we insert the time range, pass our time range for current slice, pass our asset audio track as well as the accumulated time. Then we get the accumulated time. So we just do cm time add, pass our accumulated time and duration of current slice. Then we create an export path as well as an export URL. Then we check if the file already exists inside our file manager. If yes, then remove that particular item. And then we create an AV asset export session, pass our output URL, pass our output file type and optimize for network use. And then we just export our export session and we get the output URL out of it. Once we get that, we just take it over here. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.